Madrasa education system. The Honorable President, the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable teacher, guardians and the all presents. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now I am talking about our Madrasa education system. Madrasa education history is very glorious. The need for Madrasa education was filled by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The subject of the teaching Madrasa, the Quran, the Hadith, the duties and the responsibilities of the Muslim. Importance of Madrasa education. Allah Ta'ala says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min 'alaq. Recite in the name of you Lord who created man from a cleansing substance. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, An Anas radiyallahu anhu qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Ibn Majah. On the authority of Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who said Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that it is compulsory for all Muslims to acquire religious knowledge. Ibn Majah. We are grateful for your coming. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.